traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as a big wave A, most likely a big wave B, and I personally think we're either going out for a running flat wave C or possibly an expanding wave C. Either way, I think it doesn't matter because either way should lead to a pretty nice uptrend. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is a wave 1. I think this is a WXY wave 2. I think this is subdivisions of 3, so a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and I think we should be in a wave 3 of wave 3 to form that monthly time frame pattern. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now we did just break the previous highs of wave B, and that is usually where a wave 1 subdivision actually does end. So I do think there is a pretty good chance that we will make a pullback, possibly even could be a correction to this whole move up, which would be a pretty significant move to the downside. We don't really know that yet because we don't have any breaker structure to the downside yet, but it definitely is possible that it goes down, makes a wave 2, then later on goes up for a wave 3. Or maybe it just keeps on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows. It definitely doesn't have to make a pullback yet. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I was saying, we really don't have any significant break of structure yet, so it definitely could make another higher low and just keep on going up until you get a break of structure to the downside at least a 4 hour daily time frame. I would definitely still be very, very bullish. Now for me, it looks like impulsive down. I think looking across the board, a lot of these dollar pairs made what looks like a flat. Looks like impulsive down wave A. It looks like 3 waves up wave B with a higher high. It looks like we are actually trending down for what likely is a wave C. If it is an expanding ABC correction, then it's likely to go to the 161, 178% before it ends a trend for a wave C and continues the uptrend. Or if this is actually a wave 1 subdivision and a wave 2 subdivision, it possibly could make a much bigger correction to the whole move up. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, because we don't really have a breaker structure yet, I am still primarily looking for longs, which means that if it does go up, if it does break structure to the upside after making 1, 2, 3 waves down, I definitely would continue to trade with the trend because the trend is my friend. Trend is up on all the higher time frames, so I'm definitely primarily looking for longs. If it does not break structure, then I will continue to look for longs. If it does go down and break structure, then it's probably at least minimum going to go to the 161, 178% Fibonacci extension, and this would probably be an expanding flat ABC correction to the uptrend. Either way, as long as you pay attention to your structure, pay attention to the price, especially on your higher time frames, your roadmap time frames, then you should be able to tell what to do next. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my live daily Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.